안녕하세요, 여러분. 다시 한번 인사하겠습니다. 안녕하세요. Hello, everyone. I am your teacher for today. I am Carla Sem. 아니면 칼라 선생님이라고도 불러주시면 됩니다. So you may also follow me in Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. If you have any questions, just send me a message, and then I will surely send you a reply. Anyway, so last time we learned about the consonants. So today we are going to learn the vowels. So what good about the vowels? They only have one sound. Yung mas maganda sa kanila, isa lang yung sound na meron sa kanila. And it is very similar in Tagalog, which is in Tagalog, meron tayong abakada. So, halos parehas lang yung sounds ng vowels ng Korean sa Tagalog. So, that is also an advantage for us. Anyway, so hindi ko na patatagalin. Let's learn the vowels. So, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. So, anyway, so ang first vowel na meron tayo, which is the vowels in Korean, is mo, mo, So yes, so that is moum. So last time inaral natin tong vowel na ito, right? Yung consonant which is m, and then the last part is m. Hamyontemnita. Anyway, so the first vowel that we have is a vowel ah, ah, ah. So same sounds lang din siya ng e, i, o, u. So that is the sounds. 그렇게 하는 겁니다. You know what? That the sounds in Korean is like ouch. Like 그런 뜻입니다. 자, 좋아요. So when you write it, you write from top to bottom and then left to right. So that is ah. So the second one is ya. 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 So ya, ye, yi, yo, you. So that is the ya sounds. Anyway, so I'll give you a tip na naman dito sa vowels. So when you see two lines, automatically that starts with letter Y. Kung sa English, ang Y is a consonant, pero in Korean, that is a vowel. So paano natin siya isusulat? You write from top to bottom and then left to right, left to right. So this is a vowel ya. So do you know what? When you use the word ya, it is like hey in Korean. So be careful to use this one. Pwede mo lang siyang gamitin sa kaklose mo or yung mas talagang kaklose mo na tao. Because pag ginamit mo siya sa ibang tao na hindi natin kilala, so pwede tayong i-report like, yeah, 그렇게 하는 겁니다. But of course, pag inattach mo naman siya after the name, it becomes an endearment. Kumbaga para siyang lambing like Carlaya, 친구야. 그렇게 합니다. Anyway, that is ya. The second one, we have the third one, yes, is oh, oh, oh. So, pag sinulat natin siya, you write from left to right and then top to bottom. Yung mas similar na sound sa kanya is like, meron tayong gantong sounds ngayon sa Philippines. Like when you give something to that person, kunyari may iaabot tayo sa taong to, then ka-close natin. Minsan, di ba, we use the word oh. So same sounds as that. Much bigger siya. Oh, oh, oh. And automatically, pag may nakita tayong dalawang line, it starts with Y. So, igonin. Yo, yo, yo. 그런 뜻입니다. Okay, so this one, or this is the fourth vowel. So, again, paano siya isulat? Left to right, and then top to bottom. 그렇게 사용하세요. So mas madali lang natin aralin yung vowels kasi very similar lang siya sa Tagalog. Okay, the next one, igonin. O, O, O. Mas maliit siya. Kung kanina, O, O, mas malaki. Ito naman, maglalagay lang tayo ng maliit na hole, yung butas, like O, O. Para siyang oo, pero mas modulated yung sounds ng voice natin. Like O, O. 사용하세요. And automatically, pag may nakita tayong line na dalawa, it starts with Y. So, igonin, yo, yo, yo. Same sounds as yo-yo, yo-yo. 그렇게 하는 거예요. So, when we write it, you write from top to bottom, left to right. So, yo라고 하면 됩니다. And usually, yung mga naririnig natin na Korean letters like 안녕하세요, 좋아요, 사랑해요, 괜찮아요, 싫어요. This is the spelling of yo. All we have to do is just write iyang para maisulat natin siya in a right way. So, yes, next one, we have u, u. Like u. So same sounds as that. So paano natin siya isulat ulit? You write from left to right and then top to bottom. Left to right, top to bottom. So that is the vowel u. 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 자, 다음에는 next one is a vowel. May nakita na naman tayong dalawang line. So automatically that starts with Y. So igonin. U. 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 So same sounds as ya, ye, yi, yo, you. At the same time in English word Y-O-U. So same sounds as that. So when you write it, you write from left to right, top to bottom, and then the other one is top to bottom. So that is you. 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 Okay, wow, almost there. Now, second to the last, meron na naman tayong, oh, looks like a line. Okay, igonin. 으, 으, 으. 그렇게 하는 겁니다. So, pag sinulat natin siya, you write from left to right. 그거는 으라고 사용하세요. So, para siyang yung sounds niya is like, when someone, di ba minsan may naririnig tayo when someone punch you, uh, uh, 그런 뜻입니다. So that is the same sound as that. 라고 하세요. 자, and the last but not the least, na-meet natin siya when we learning, nung nag-aaral tayo ng consonants, which is this one is a vowel, E. 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 그렇게 하세요. Like, 오, 우. 네, 이 합니다. So now let's try to review the 10 vowels. We finished the 10 vowels. At muli, let's try to uh, say the sounds from the top. 자, 따라하세요. Repeat after me if you're watching this video. 따라하세요. When you say the word 따라하세요, that means repeat after me. Repeat after me. 자, 해볼까요? 이거는 아, 아, 야, 야, 어, 어, 여, 여, 오, 오, 요, 요, 우, 우, 유, 유, 으, 으, 이, 이. 그렇게 합니다. So these are the 10 vowels. Wow, you finished the 10 vowels. You did a good job. And now, let me also explain or let me also clarify na kahit ang vowels ay walang initial and final, but when it comes to writing pattern, again, when it comes to writing, pag isusulat natin, they are divided into two. So, nadi-divide sila sa dalawa. So, we have horizontal vowels and the vertical vowels. So, ano-ano yung mga vertical vowels? So, we have vowel a, ya, o, yo, and e. So these are the horizontal vowels. Again, we have a, ya, o, yo, and e. So para mas madali nating matandaan ano, yung mga pasulat ng mga pababa, pa-vertical, sila naman ang mga pa-horizontal. So the rest of the vowels automatically, so vertical vowels sila when it comes to writing. So sino-sino sila? We have o, yo, u, U, and U. So these are the vertical vowels. Kaya naman sa susunod na topic natin, sa writing pattern na tayo pupunta. So we are going to learn how to apply the vertical vowels and the horizontal vowels. So I hope you enjoy our class for today and please memorize the vowels and the consonants. So anyway, you did a good job. 너무 잘하셨어요. 수고하셨습니다. See you in our next meeting. Again, you may also follow me in Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So thank you. Bye bye. 안녕히 가세요. 수고하셨습니다.